Hello friends, welcome to Active Education Pro. In this video, we will learn order of operation. You know BODMAS rule, BODMAS. As per this rule, we do all the operations of mathematics, mathematical operations. We followed these rules. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Again I repeat it. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So if I have a question of mathematics to evaluate this value of this question, so first we follow to remove bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Let's have some example so that we clear our doubt. And yes, please watch this video from start to end. That's why we don't have any doubt regarding this topic of order of operation. Here this is our first question. 4 plus bracket start 3 plus 2 bracket n, then square power 2, then division 4, divide by 4. As per our rule, first remove the bracket. First solve the bracket. 4 plus 3 plus 2 5 square divided by 4. Then 4 plus 5 square is 25 divided by 4. 4 plus, then now in this term two functions, positive and then division. So as per the rule, we have to divide first. So 25 by 4. 25 divided by 4. If we divide 25 by 4, answer will be 6.25. 4 plus answer is 6.25 and simply add it 10.25. Okay, it is your answer. Next example. If I have a question, there is a question 2 plus 3 into 5 minus 2. This is your question. If there is another bracket, there is a bracket n and starting a bracket, then simply just add the value, just subtract the value, then multiply it. But there is no bracket, simply there is one bracket. There is one bracket for all the terms, for all these functions. So as per the rule, first you have to multiply it. Then multiply 3 into 5, 15. 2 plus 15 minus 2 bracket start bracket n plus 23 is equal to, then first rule, first remove the bracket, but here is addition and then subtraction. As per the rule, first add then subtract. 15 plus 2 is 17 minus 2 plus 23. Then remove the bracket. 17 minus 2, 15 plus 23. And answer will be 8, 3. 38 is our answer. Next example. (12 plus 3 into 8 minus 2 minus 5. In my previous question, just see here, there is a addition, there is subtraction, and there is multiplication. In my next question here is addition, subtraction and multiplication. Addition, multiplication, subtraction, addition, multiplication, subtraction. In this question, first, as per the Badmas rule, first we multiply, then add, then subtract. But in this rule, there is same positive, plus, addition, multiplication, subtract, negative sign. But here, it starts with a bracket, ends with a bracket. It starts with a bracket and ends with a bracket. And there is a multiplication symbol, these two brackets multiplied with each other. In this question, as per Badmas rule, we evaluate it step by step, multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. But in this question, first remove the bracket. Here first we have to add this and we have to subtract it. It means 12 plus 3 is 15 into 8 minus 2 is 6 minus 5. First solve this bracket, write its value, then solve this bracket, write its value, and simply minus 5. And now apply the Badmas rule. Again, first multiplication, then subtraction. You know very well. 15 into 6, 15 6 are 15 6 are 90 minus 5, and your answer is 85. See the difference. In this question, we first multiply, add, then subtract. But in this question, because there is a two bracket present in this question, and simply for a calculation, for a operation, for a addition operation, there is a bracket. For subtraction operation, there is a again bracket. And in this previous question, there is one bracket for all these three operations. But in this question, there are two brackets for three operations. So their answer is changed. So always remember the formula Badmas bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. As per the rules, step by step, always think you have to give a priority, you have to choose which operation first. As per the Badmas rule, you have to first choose bracket, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is another question. 20 plus square bracket start 4 plus simply bracket, otherwise commonly known as round bracket, 2 multiplied with 3 minus 10 simple bracket, otherwise round bracket n, then plus 7 square bracket n into 2. As per the rule, first we have to remove bracket. But yes, there is two bracket, simple bracket and then another is square bracket. We have to remember there is a bracket inside the bracket. There is a bracket inside the square bracket. So always you should carry out the simple bracket from its inner side to outer side. You have to simplify from this direction to this. Inner side direction to inner side to outer side. Bracket to square bracket. Round bracket to square bracket. Okay. 20 plus square bracket start 4 plus, in this bracket there are two operations, multiplication and subtraction. So here first multiply 2 into 3, 2 3 ja 6 minus 10. Put a simple bracket because there is also a operation to do, to complete. This is subtraction operation. Then plus 7, close the bracket, square bracket, and into 2. 20 plus, first remove the bracket, 4 plus 6 minus 10, answer is minus 4, then plus 7, bracket closed, into 2. 20 plus 4, here plus into minus, minus 4 plus 7 into 2. Then remove this bracket. 20 plus 4 minus cancel, then 7. This bracket answer is 7. If we solve this bracket, then answer is 7 into 2. As per Badmas rule, first multiply these two number. 7 into 2 is 14. Then 20 plus 4 is 34. This is your answer. Again I repeat it. In this question there is two bracket. One is simple bracket, round bracket, and another is square bracket. If you have two bracket or more than one bracket in an expression, you have to simply calculate inner side to outer side. I mean, first evaluate the inner bracket and then gradually go to outer side bracket. First we have to evaluate this round bracket. As per Badmas rule, evaluate and answer is -4. Then evaluate the square bracket, answer is 7. Then simply multiply with 2 and add with 20. Multiply with 2, 14, and then add with 20 is 34. Another thing is, there are three types of brackets in mathematics. One is simple bracket or round bracket, another is curly bracket, and the last one is square bracket. If in a question more than one bracket, we have to put all these three brackets variety. You can write 2 plus 3 into 4 minus 6 plus 2 like this, because it is not good looking. As for appearance it is not good. Maybe you fall in some confusion which bracket you have to start and you have to close. 3 bracket starts, 3 bracket ends, no problem. Bracket start, bracket close. But at the time of calculation, at the time of solving, you may face some problem. So that's why you write there is another bracket. 4 bracket start, 4 bracket end. Bracket start, bracket close. Here bracket start, bracket close. Then curly bracket close. Square bracket close. This is your mathematical expression with multiple types of bracket. Round bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket. Always solve the problem inner side to outer side, first in then out. And yes, first always try to solve round bracket, then curly bracket, and then square bracket. Square bracket is the outer bracket always. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yes, please press the bell icon for latest update, and like, share, comment on my video. Thank you.